This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for August 5th, 2024. It's currently June 26th, 2024, 12:55 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is $544.61. That's USD. The shuffle video for the August 5th reading was created on June 19th, 2024, 12:58 p.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme of behavior for the 5th, we have a notable decline standing out on a multi-day scale. It looks like it's probably off of a high and takes us to lowest lows thus far. Behavior around the highest high for the day, we have a notable reversal really stand out. Probably amongst several days it'll stand out. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a decline through multiple support levels into the low, and then advised to trade around a period of sideways rotation and a fast sudden refire out of that period of sideways rotation. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill, and we do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. That's a threefold agreement between the channel and anybody utilizing this information for personal gain. 5% of all profits should be donated forward to a charity, and you find them here on the resources tab of our website, Kapproveb for Traders. And 5% of the profit should be donated back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use this app Wise, which is reliable, or you can use crypto. When you click on the crypto tab, this is new. When you click on the crypto tab, you get all these QR codes, so you can donate in a bunch of different cryptos. Great way to help support the channel, my friends. It's the right thing to do if you utilize this information regularly, and it leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, the universe considers you an angel investor of the channel. It's going to set it back to you tenfold for following through on that rule. Not to mention, you do that repeatedly and you get a free invite to our Discord server, only for angel investors. All right, with that said, in the pre-market, we opened lower, and there's a decline probably in the early part of the pre-market, but out of that decline, there's a big move from the bottom of the range all the way to the top of the range, and the top of the range is probably the same high as the previous day. That's what I think. Sharp has an important resistance level on a one-day chart scale minimum, highlighted around the open, and the truce card usually indicates like a notable move into it, and then we touch it and decline out. The orange correlation around the devil card indicating a pretty sharp decline here in the first half hour. That's a fake out. There's a big move to the upside, so we'll see sideways rotation somewhere between the open and 12. That sideways rotation will end with a fast sudden refire, and that fast sudden refire marks a trade opportunity. We can open up a short position or add to a short position from the previous day, depending on if you want to do a day trade or not. We have a near overbought crest that we sell off from multiple support levels. Do more sideways rotation midday between 12 and 1 roughly. There's a lot of price change there between 12 and 1. A lot of decline, and then also there's like that prominent move higher, full retracement into a trough, sharp decline into a trough here just after 1 o'clock. After that sharp decline, looks like we have a rally into a peak or into a peak or a high there before 2 o'clock. There's a universal hexagram opportunity there. So in the midst of that sharp decline, you close out of the short for a day trade. It might not be the high as the previous days here, but it'll be a high for the day thus far. Then we have one here before 2 o'clock, and that rally into that resistance, we decline from that resistance with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down into the last hour of trading, where we have a crest that we sell off from down 2 and through support. We do a U-shaped reversal, come back and reuse it as support. There's a lot of price change right at the close. Yeah, and then we have a lot of price change to the upside right at the close, probably taking us back to highs just at the close or just after the close, with like this unexpected move into a overbought peak or crest. And then the sneak preview for the following day of the 6th, we have a big move to the upside, sitting out on a multi-day scale, reaching for distant resistance. However, it is nullified, indicating it may not take place. Actually, when you see the nullified theme card or sneak preview card, it might mean that it either takes place and then it's kind of like counteracted, or it doesn't take place. Either way, that is SPY for August 5th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go. You know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.